How to do an overhead video
with a small camera
with a tripod boom mic stand.
Okay, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jose Velez from JB Creazion Tech, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. Today we're talking top angle shot, how to do it very easy. This is how I do it, so I'm going to show you behind the scenes. Okay, so the easiest way I think, and then you can move it around, is by getting a boom mic. This is a boom mic. Regular one, you know, $30 will do it. If you want to spend more, that's fine. But then couple of kits. You need a small camera because this is not going to hold a DSLR. It's going to fall. But a GoPro, a camcorder, or even your phone will work. I'm going to be using the Canon vixia HF R800. This is small. I love this camera, very compact, a lot of possibility. The battery is good and you can even plug it in and let it record. So we have a couple of keys. So you need the boom mic, and then this is the key here, this little piece here. This is a quarter thread so you can mount your camera, and this is the screw for the microphone stand. So I took the microphone clip because I'm going to replace it with this. You could get the camera right away in the quarter thread of the camera, but it's hard to get the angle. So two more pieces, cord shoe, that you can tie this up. This is going to be now here, and then 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4. The ball head, this is a small one, this is cheap, so but you need one that is going to be secure. So this one is cheaper, it's secure. So you can get whatever, headboard, a mini, okay? So the shoe, cord shoe here. And now I can have the camera. See how this is coming. I like this camcorder because I can have the screen so I can see. I'm gonna be showing the keyboard, see? So you can see the keyboard in the screen and you can move this around. Let's see if I can zoom in. Okay, so you're gonna see when I am playing here on the keyboard, when I am doing my tutorials, if I am showing something, a product, it's easier to point that on the top, and it's more clean when you're showing something. People can really see. You can zoom in, especially with the camcorder. You can zoom. So until you have the perfect shot. So, and you can move it around in your house, in your settings, and whatever you need to do. So that's why this is my favorite way for a top shot. Okay, there's no more to it. It's very simple, very clean. You can move it around, you can adjust it, and this is what I've been finding that is easy, and with a camcorder, a GoPro, or a phone, it can hold it very nice, so it's not gonna fall. So give me some likes, subscribe if you're not already, and remember, see you next time. Bye.